My people, una good morning again. Welcome to Angelella TV News. This one na breaking news in pidgin. Here, now be the headlines for today news. Hookup no be crime. Dollar no be naira meat. Girl commit abortion. Man commit suicide after losing ticket. Is Abuja Nigeria? Food problem in Nigeria. Breakup over Christmas dress. Now, na the news in full be this. All girls for Nigeria, they don't begin go on all those things what they call social media. They begin to tell people, say, hook up no be crime, but hook up na another way to make money. Now, their business, because the time when they do olosho for their own lodge, people, they come visit them, they do what they want, they pay them money, come out, go there. All those governors who don't come up before, don't push them for all those places, say they no one get olosho, say they no one olosho lodge again. So those people don't come out, enter street now. And nowhere where people they go visit them again. All those on the town they stand for street, man, people they come pick them. All those places. Some governors for their state don't bound them. And at the place where they get money, where we pass be that. Now they come go join, they call the phone that one and they call them hook up. My brother, hook up is no different from olosho now. The same thing. Only say they don't nickname them. Just like the time where they do pool those years, where they plan, where they come change them to betting. My brother, made nobody confuse you. Now be that olosho, that hookup. But as they don't pursue them for the places where they did before, houses where they camp, and the road side where they stand, they know if you stand for those places, and no way person go feel reach them. Now they come bring a hookup. Then drop the number, you call them, you reach them. Hookup, no big crime. Dollar don't begin they get battle with naira ever since where we know. Where dollar and naira then be like say na twins. Where 1 naira na equals to dollar. Now dollar don't beat 1 naira. Now from this place we take note say twins where them born them together, my one they grow past another one without measurement. Imagine dollar when na equal to 1 naira before, it don't reach 1,000 plus now. 1 naira no fit stand where dollar dey, my brother. This one he over me to talk, but I say make I talk am since na breaking news in pidgin wey they give am to everybody where they take know wetin dey happen for we country, where some people no know. Girl wey don commit abortion, wey in belle don already reach 9 months, he don go commit abortion, say he no need the belle again because in boyfriend wey give am belle don run leave am for house, and he no get wetin go carry born that pikin begin dey give am. He don't commit abortion. As I dey tell na like this, the girl now don't dey mortuary. Nobody there to pay mortuary bill. Even the mortuary attendant don dey beg say they no need to collect the bill again. I bet make the family come carry the girl come up for the mortuary. Because it don't begin to advise all those girls who dey inside mortuary say make them go commit abortion. Now wow. This one now heavy my mouth to talk. Person wey use 100 naira play ticket of 1 million naira, one match wey cut am. Just one go, you don't provoke, you can't go commit suicide. My brother, it be like say that company, now your father don't get them. You use 100 naira, they pursue 1 million naira. One man don't come out, begin to provoke, say, it be like say Abuja no be Nigeria again. Because the things when you go Abuja go see, you know, for the country they call Nigeria. You don't begin to wonder. You can't ask whether true, Abuja na Nigeria. Now one man tell us say, you dey mad. Imagine madman call person wey dey normal say he dey mad, because wetin the man take as am really resemble whether he dey mad. Food problem for Nigeria. Ha! This one not touch me well when I make me want broadcast the news. Because as I tell now this news like this, me since morning, now garri wey I buy 1 cup since last week I dey chop am every day, one spoon, because garri now na 200 naira per cup. Something where they sell us 1 cup of garri for 3 naira, would they complain say it too cost. It can't enter 5 naira, would they complain. He enter 10 naira, would they complain. He enter 20 naira, would they complain. My brother now he don't reach 200 naira. We go still complain. Oh, wow. This one it heavy me for mouth to talk, but I say make I talk am. Man and woman we wed yesterday, they don't break up because the man tell am say him he know they buy Christmas clothes for his wife. Now they get tell and say, why you not tell them the time when they do marriage? Until when they can't even do wedding last night, until they do wedding last day myself, you know tell them say, no dey buy Christmas clothes until the wife come break ransom, begin dey show am some fine fine clothes wey e see online wey dem dey call WhatsApp and Facebook. Say na dis kind dress im wan wear for im Christmas. Na the man tell am say im no dey buy Christmas clothes for woman o. Na make the woman come say relation break up. Before man I been tell you say make we do court marriage and you no gree. My brother, na for dis kind news now we take say make we close our curtain for today. Abeg make una subscribe to our YouTube channel as we go dey bring una things wey dey happen for dis we country wey many people no know wey dem dey hidden. Because those our rich men and those our big men, dem no want make we know things wey dey happen because they want to overuse our head. As we dey shout independent, my brother, we no dey independent, we are still dependent. Because this one an indirect rule, na dem dey rule us. My brother, abeg make una subscribe to our YouTube channel. Today I no get alcohol wey I go drink, wey I go bring more ogbonge news wey go happen to una. But I tell una say after this I draw my curtain, I go enter behind. I go take one bottle of ogogoro, kai kai, and then the one with the dry gin, so that my brain will sharp. For next episode of our movie, for next episode of our news, I go give una this latest what happen. I beg. You hear say dem do election recently from some state in Nigeria. One Nigeria, but we dey do election different years. Thank you. God bless you for listening to our breaking news.